Hello there everyone, this is Ashmita from Sourav Sir's classes, and here in this video we are focusing on two different kinds of articles. Now in articles you all know we have a, and the, right? So considering the indefinite articles and the definite articles, first we are going to focus on the indefinite articles, and this includes a and an as the indefinite articles. The use of a, where we can use the article a mostly in front of the consonants. Like, for example, do you have a motorbike? Okay. There is a spider in the bath. 12 inches make a foot. I have bought a pair of shoes. Okay. A few weeks from now, I shall be in Lahore. I get paid once a month. The eggs cost rupees 80 a dozen. Let's go through some more examples. A square has four sides. A dog is faithful to its master. A cow eats grass. A circle has a round shape. Some more examples. You should bring a cup and saucer for me. Does everyone have a knife and a fork? Take a look at this. It needs a good clean. The driver paid no attention to a crashing of gears. They decided to arrange a singing competition. He tried to read he tried to read writing in French. Oh no, here they haven't given any kind of article. So why they have given these examples? Not necessary anyway. Um, Candidates must have a good knowledge of math. She had a beauty that became legendary. Okay, so here we have been talking about as an indefinite article. We have some more examples. Can I have a banana, please? The only furniture in the room was a bed, a table, and two chairs. I have got a hole in my shoe. There was a sudden loud noise. We went to a really good restaurant last night. So, a really good restaurant, a really good restaurant. A man stopped me and asked me how to get to the station. I heard a child crying. Okay, is this flower a China rose? A China rose. Okay, this is a very mild cheese. A very mild cheese. Experts think that the recently discovered painting may be a Picasso. A Picasso. Some more examples. She may look good on the cinema screen, but she will never be a Kate Winslet. She was hailed as a new Marilyn Monroe. So, a new Marilyn Monroe. Gamma was a Rustum of his age. Okay, so a Rustum of his age. So, like if you go on practicing, you will better understand how to put a, when to put an, and when to put the. Okay, it only requires continuous practice. He is considered to be a Bernard Shaw in Urdu literature. A Bernard Shaw. There is a Sazia on the phone for you. There is a Mr. Kamran Ahmed to see you. So someone called Mr. Kamran Ahmed. Do you know a Salim Qureshi? So, do you know someone called Salim Qureshi? So, we don't know about this person and hence we are using a. A certain Mrs. Nadia Irfan wishes to speak to you. So, a certain means someone known as Nadia Irfan is wishing to speak to you. My birthday is on a Saturday this year. Well, it has certainly been a June to remember. So, yes, again, something which is with which we are not exactly familiar with, hence we are using a as the article over here. Some more examples. What a beautiful day. So this is a. What a beautiful day. What a silly mistake. Bravo, what a wonderful catch. Oh, what a terrible storm. So we don't know about these things and it happened suddenly. I'm just going to have a wash. Saima is a university student. Okay, in front of university, then uniform, then utensil, unicorn. In front of these words, and will not go. Though we know the basic concept that is provided to us since our childhood is that in front of vowels, and will go. But even after this, you with in front of these words, we are not going to use and. We are going to use for all these. Okay, like Saima is a university student. So in front of uniform also will go, utensils also will go, and unicorn also will go. A European teacher came to our college. So in front of European we are going to use a. She became frightened of a one-eyed man. So in front of one it would be a and not an. A kilogram is a unit of mass. You saw a boy on a motorbike. Saira received a BA degree from the Karachi University. Okay, a BA degree. Now let's talk about the article the, which is the definite article that we can talk about. Sometimes the can be used as the article, or sometimes it can be omitted also, like it can be removed also. Like she liked to sail over the water. She liked to sail over water. Okay. So why this the is placed as some specific body of water is being talked about. And in the second sentence where the is removed or omitted, here no particular water is being talked about. It can refer to any kind of water. Okay. We can use the definite article the with points of compass like the north, the south, the east, and the west. The northernmost point on land, Cafe Cluben Island, is in the north, in the north. So in directions, we can use the in front of the names of the countries, the Netherlands, the United Kingdom, the United States of America. We can use the Russian Federation. We can use the in front of that, the Philippines Island, the Caribbean Islands, the Canaries Islands, the Bahamas Islands. Okay, we can use the. So yeah, that's it for today's video. We're going to focus on the other topics in the other video. So if you want to practice with me, if you want to prepare for the other examinations, entrance based and competitive exam based, then you can join our classes for that. Any kind of details you want to know, you can call us on the number provided in the description box below, or you can WhatsApp us also, or you can post down your queries below in the comment box. Thank you for being with me till the end. Let's meet again in the other videos.